Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the Sony DVD VCR recorder, model number RDR-VX535. It's got HDMI 1080p upscaling, and you could watch your VHS through there. And it's also just what your cable box ordered. So we're going to get this all set up, and we're going to show you how to record VHS to DVD with it. First thing you're going to want to understand is all the outputs and inputs on the back so that you know how to connect it to your TV. Right here you've got your HDMI output. That's the one that you should use if you can use it. Other than that, you've got S-video input and composite audio-video input. Those are going to be for recording onto VHS or onto DVD. And then you've got composite line output right here for the lowest quality video. And then you've got another audio output along with component video output and coaxial digital audio right there. And then you've also got the set-top box control right there for connecting it to a cable box. On the front panel, you've got your VHS eject button right there, stop, pause, play, fast forward, and rewind, and then your record button, and then you can jump between DVD and VCR right here. And then you've got one touch dubbing to DVD or to VHS. Either one, you can push it anytime and start recording as long as you've got it all ready to go. Then you've got one touch dubbing right here, a USB input, DV input, and then a composite line input, and that is for recording. And then you've got an eject and on and off button up here. And getting it all set up is really easy. All you've got to do is plug in the power cord and then connect the HDMI cable to your TV and to your VCR. And then make sure that it's on the correct input, and then you can power it on. You should get a signal to your TV. So now that we've got it all set up, we're going to put in the VHS tape that we want to record, and then we'll also put in our blank disc. This machine can use just about any recordable disc. It can use plus, minus, R, or RW. We're going to use a DVD minus R disc, and this is the original remote control for it. We've got a wide range of controls with the remote. You can fast forward, rewind, you can pause it. And then you can do frame advance too if you want to slow it down. And then you can quickly jump between DVD and VHS. So it looks like it loaded our disc. So now we can go ahead and push that button. And now it's gonna, after you push the dubbing button on the front panel, it will rewind it a few seconds, and then it will begin dubbing. And then it will stop dubbing whenever you push the stop button, or once it has completely filled up the disc, or once the movie has ended. Once you're done recording what you want to record, you'll want to hit stop on the remote, and then it will save all of what has recorded onto the disc. And then after it finishes doing that, you'll want to switch to the DVD side and then push system menu on the remote, and then go down to disc setting and then disc finalize. And you want to make sure that you finalize it, because if you don't do that, it's not going to play back in other DVD players, and it will only play in this one. That's pretty much all there is for this Sony VHS to DVD recorder. This thing is really awesome. It's highly reliable, and it's got that HDMI output with 1080p upconversion, which is the best picture you're going to be able to get. But if you're looking to order one of these, make sure you get it from us at forloyo.net, and you can order online or by ordering over the phone. Thanks for watching.